Now let's explore the another command here, which is across worksheets. Now how this works, we'll just show you. Suppose we have prepared this budget for the year 2022, right? And we want to now prepare a budget for 2023. We have the sheet here. We take a blank sheet now. We'll say that okay, here we want to do, we'll do control minus, and here we have prepared the budget for the year 2022, and now we want to prepare the budget for 2023, but we want to copy the same format. We want to copy this same format there. So what we can do is we can just select this whole budget, and then we can press the shift button and select another sheet. So I've selected one more sheet here. Now I'll go to this fill button. Here I'll click on across worksheets. Now it is asking, do you want to paste all, or do you want to paste contents, or do you want to paste formats? So let me take only the format. I want to take only the format from here, and I'll say okay to this. And I'll say okay to this. Now I'll go and check whether it is copied in the next sheet. Yes, I got my format on the next sheet. The format is here now. Now suppose this headings are going to be same. So I'll just copy this, select this, and I'll press control button and select the next sheet. I'll go to this place and I'll see across worksheets, and here if I say contents and say okay, so now we'll go and check what has happened. So here I have been able to paste the contents. So if I want to do on multiple sheets, suppose I want to prepare for January till December, 12 sheets are there, I have to paste a single format across. I can use this functionalities, and in one command I can copy across different worksheets. So this allows me to fill across worksheets, right friends? Next we will go and explore the series button, which is next command in the fill options. So friends, in the series option, if we click on the series option, we will see that we have this small window opens up, and there are a lot of options here. So let's explore them one by one. So let me write a number here, 1, right? I just wrote a number here, 1. Okay, and now I'll go to the series button. I'll click on this series, and here the first option selected is rows, and first option here selected is linear. So in the rows and in the linear category, the step value is marked as 1, and let me say stop value as 15 and say okay. So what it has done is it has generated some numbers from 1 to 9. So it has generated numbers, from 1 to 15. Okay, now we will see some more examples for this. I have written here 1. I'll go to the fill series, and in fill series it is selected rows, linears, and now step value I'll mark as 5, and I will not give any stop value here, or let me give a stop value. Let's give me a stop value of 50, and let me say okay to it. So what I have done is I have selected the rows, I have selected the linear, and then I have said step value 5, and I'll say okay, stop value 50. So it should stop generating the series when it reaches 50, and every time it should take 5 steps to get the next number. So let's see what happens. When I click here, what it has done is it is adding 5 every time. 1 and 5 is 6, and 5 11, and it has gone there and it has stopped at 41. It has stopped at 46. So after 46 it will get the number as 51. So what it has done is it has generated number from 1 to 46. Correct. Now we will see one more example. I have kept 1 here, 1 here, and I go to the series button. I go and get the series button, and here again in the rows, in the linear category, the step value is again 5. And if I select a range, just a second, if I select a range here, suppose I have selected this range, right? And then if I go to the series option and I say 5 here, 5 here, and then if I say 50, I want it to generate numbers by adding 5 to get the next numbers and go till 50. But I have selected some range here. Earlier I was selecting only 1, but now I have selected some range. I have selected this cells till the column G, and if I say okay, you'll see that it didn't go till 50 because my selection was here. It started generating numbers by adding 5, but it stopped till where I have taken the selection. So I hope you are able to understand. We will do some examples using the column option.